Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know you can build an entire website using Canva? No coding, no cost, and no complicated setup. In this video, I will show you exactly how to design, build, and publish a professional looking website in under 10 minutes completely free. Now let's get it started. Now why Canva websites? Canva websites are perfect for portfolios, resumes, link in bios, landing pages, or small business sites. They are mobile friendly, fully customizable, and super beginner friendly. First of all, go to canva.com, log into your account, and click here and search for website. Click on Website Desktop to get started. You will find hundreds of templates already optimized for web, or you can start from scratch. Click Create a blank website for new. I will choose a template for this tutorial like this. Click Customize this template. Pick a design that fits your brand. I will use this clean portfolio layout for this demo. Okay, then follow the instruction, click next, and got it. Click any text to change your name. Click here, enter your business name, resize your text if needed. Customize the colors, fonts, and layout to match your vibe. For change the font, click all, select all, then go to font style, then select one from here. For color, go to text color option, then click the plus icon and choose here from here. Want another section? Just duplicate a page or click add page. Click on it, then click the three dot icon, then click duplicate page or type in your keyboard Ctrl plus D like this. You can delete from here. Just click delete. Yes. Link your buttons to external sites, social media, or other pages in your site. You can even embed videos or forms. From here, click preview to see how it looks on desktop, mobile. Canva auto-optimizes it, but double-check your spacing and alignment. Use navigation buttons at the top or create a simple one-page scroll with anchor links. Once you're happy, go back to here. From here, go to text, then click add text. Now type home or about us. then adjust the text. Now click the three dot icon, click links, enter your uh, link from your website, or you can add your YouTube channel website. Just type YouTube, then click the three dot icon again, then click link, then copy the link, your YouTube channel, then click done. Now preview again, scroll down, then when you are happy with the design, click share, then download, or click publish website, then click publish free Canva domain like your name dot mycanva dot site, like this, then view website, scroll down. We'll go with the free option. Canva will instantly publish your site and it's live right away. Want to get fancy? Try embedding videos or YouTube links, adding contact forms using links to Google Forms or Typeform, including image carousels or scrolling galleries. Even though it's simple, Canva sites can still look super modern and interactive. And there you have it, a beautiful website built a launched for free using Canva. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more tech tutorials and comment blue if you want a full series on Canva site design tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. From your Canva design template, you can again edit the design from here, then click share, then select live website, then republish again. That's cool. So stay with me. I will see you in the next one.